Key findings 1. Contextual data. Flow-guided transition protocols rely on providing agents with contextual data to facilitate smooth transitions. This includes information about the current situation, goals, and available resources. 2. Motivational metaprompts. The system also employs motivational metaprompts to encourage agents to transition effectively. These metaprompts can be tailored to individual agents, taking into account their strengths, weaknesses, and motivations. 3. Automatic transition support. The system's automatic transition support feature enables agents to focus on the task at hand, rather than worrying about the transition process. This reduces cognitive load and increases overall efficiency. 4. Agent-centered design. Areas for flow-guided transition protocols prioritize agent-centered design, ensuring that the system is tailored to the unique needs and preferences of each agent. 5. Scalability. The system's modular architecture allows for easy scalability, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small-scale teams to large-scale organizations. Implications 1. Improved transition efficiency. Flow-guided transition protocols have the potential to significantly improve transition efficiency, reducing the time and effort required to move between tasks or projects. 2. Increased agent satisfaction. By providing agents with contextual data and motivational metaprompts, the system can increase agent satisfaction and engagement, leading to improved overall performance. 3. Enhanced collaboration. The system's agent-centered design and automatic transition support features can foster enhanced collaboration and communication among team members. 4. Reduced cognitive load. By automating the transition process, the system can reduce cognitive load and minimize the risk of errors or mistakes. Potential areas for further exploration. 1. Personalization. Investigating ways to further personalize the system to individual agents, taking into account their unique preferences, strengths, and weaknesses. 2. Adaptability. Exploring the system's adaptability in different scenarios, such as rapid change or uncertainty, to ensure its effectiveness in a wide range of situations. 3. Integration. Investigating potential integration with other systems or tools to expand the system's capabilities and reach. 4. Evaluation metrics. Developing evaluation metrics to measure the system's effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Conclusion. Flow-guided transition protocols have the potential to revolutionize the way agents transition between tasks and projects. By providing contextual data, motivational metaprompts, and automatic transition support, the system can improve transition efficiency, increase agent satisfaction, and enhance collaboration. Further exploration of the system's potential, including personalization, adaptability, integration, and evaluation metrics, is necessary to fully realize its benefits.